Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence. Now, you must have seen AI robots. The first question which comes in your mind is actually what is an AI? So, AI is basically a simulation of human intelligence in machines and are programmed to think and do action like real humans. Now, you must be thinking, why do we need AI? So basically we need AI because it enhances speed and precision of our human work. It also helps humans to save time and resources, and also it helps in deep analyzing which humans can't. Now let's talk about the uses of AI. AI is used in Siri and Alexa. Everyone must be aware of Apple's Siri and Amazon's Alexa. It performs all the basic works. Even it uses machine learning technology to get smarter and better and to understand our natural language. Do you guys have heard about Tesla? Well, if you are a car enthusiast and don't know about Tesla, then you don't know what you guys are missing. It is an example of AI driverless car. It doesn't require a real person to be operated by. Instead, it uses artificial intelligence to find its route. Isn't it a masterpiece of artificial intelligence and technology? Well, United States is having these types of cars in their daily usage. The third is Netflix. Now you must be thinking how Netflix can use artificial intelligence. Well, their algorithm uses AI to suggest movies and shows you might like based on your previous reactions, your choices, and your customer reviews. Let's talk about smartphones. Many of smartphones use this artificial intelligence technology for various purposes like face unlocking, AI photography, processor optimization, and many others.
Our new True Depth camera system, contained within this tiny space, uses extraordinary depth sensing technology to let you unlock your phone with a glance. We call this Face ID. It maps the unique geometry of your face with over 30,000 invisible dots.
Talking about robotics. Taking a look at the robotics sector, iRobots are smarter home robots used for cleaning houses using its artificial intelligence. The humanoid robot company Hanson Robotics makes robots capable of displaying human-like expressions and interacting with people.
When did you last lie?
Robots don't lie.
There are many more uses of artificial intelligence though, and in future it gonna be boom. Thanks for watching.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me.